Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have Amanpreet Kaur ma'am with us, who is highly esteemed instructor as a leading faculty in international cloud-based software training programs. Today she will be sharing highly valuable insights to how to become an international accountant. So stay tuned and watch our full video. So let's get started with ma'am.
Hello Fox. So in this very particular session there too, we are going to discuss the pros aspect specifically if we talk about the various cloud-based softwares.
So ma'am, my first question is with you. What role basically this cloud-based software plays in enhancing the earning potential of our accountants?
Well, that's a very good question. If we specifically talk about the increment in the salary package there too after pursuing the cloud-based softwares. So see, it has got a very subjective answer because the market of cloud-based softwares is getting increased and accelerated to a manifold extent day by day. The simple reason is that most of the companies, not only the MNCs, rather many Indian companies and companies all across the globes, they have now started this very particular practice to, migrate their traditional system to the cloud-based softwares. So it saves their time, scalability, then collaboration, accessibility. So there are lots of things which we'll be discussing in this very particular video. So that's why most of the companies, they now need such professionals who have got their core competency with respect to the knowledge of cloud-based softwares. That's why the earning potential is much when it comes to the arena of cloud-based softwares accounting. And not only this, in our institute, we have this facility to provide the fundamentals of accounts as well, along with the knowledge of, the cloud-based softwares. So if you are a fresher, you can anywhere expect a package of, in Indian currency, in India even 30 to 40,000 minimum. But if you are an experienced candidate and you're already having a taste of years in the domain of accounting, so anywhere you can expect a hike of 1.5 to 2 times after procuring the knowledge of cloud-based softwares, because we not only train you for the knowledge-based perspective, we ensure you clear the exams of various cloud-based softwares, because technically if we talk about the QuickBooks the software itself, so there is a QuickBooks Pro Advisor exam. So we emphasize as to you clear the QuickBooks Pro Advisor exam, then Xero certified, you become this very particular, an individual who has got the core competency and expertise. Because although you might be having a knowledge in the said industry with respect to, you might have worked for a couple of organizations, but when it comes to the credibility, reliability, it gets reflected in your resume, in your cover note, with the help of those very particular certifications in this said cloud-based software itself. So definitely.
So ma'am, my next question is with you. What is scope and potential of these cloud-based softwares in specifically accounting fields?
Definitely. See, it has got a two-folded answer. If we talk from the perspective of, the working professionals, so it has and helped actually lots of working professionals to shape their future in the said industry of, cloud-based software itself. The reason is simple. Because now the organizations, they do not actually need the scalability and all that, the hardwares and softwares, the traditional infrastructure. So all these, the costing associated with this infrastructure, it can be reduced, right? So the companies, they can simply start their working, especially if you talk about a newly set up organization, and even if it is a medium sales or a large scale organization, the users, whether the employees or the clients, they can have their accessibility from anywhere, any location, any device. And importantly, the restrictions can also be put in place. So if we talk from the perspective of organizations or from the perspective of employees itself, so the scope is getting increased because of the benefits involved in it. The first benefit is cost effectiveness. In the traditional system itself, if we talk about, so lots of the cost used to be involved, so it has got lessened with the help of cloud-based softwares. Then if you talk about the scalability, that means additional maintenance, the setup cost, it has gone down and it is negligible in the cloud-based softwares. Then greener technology, of course. We, in this contemporary era, we opine this very particular fact, we should save our planet. So greener technology, of course, I would rather emphasize on this fact, because the carbon footprint, it has, as such gone down by 90% because of these cloud-based softwares itself, if we take the data analytics into the scenario there too. And apart from this, there are lots of other key aspects, the benefits which are involved with the help of these cloud-based softwares. Because let's take a simple instance this way: if it is a small scale organization and it has not that much infrastructure with itself, but it really wants to accelerate its business and take it to another level, then cloud-based softwares, it has definitely, these softwares have helped actually even the startup companies to take their business to a new level. And again, I would rather emphasize this on this fact as to the cloud-based softwares, they saves your time and they streamline your operations, efficiency in the system, in the controls with respect and effectiveness as a whole.
Ma'am, generally our audience ask us, like in India we use Tele, and they generally ask you how Tele is different from our international cloud-based software. So can you please give them a brief explanation?
Sure. Well, actually, that's a very good question, Nikita. But just being neutral, I would like to highlight 2 or 3 important entry cases in this very particular context. The first one, like, is in the traditional system of if you're using Tele. So obviously, it's not a cloud-based software itself, although the operations, they have been streamlined even in Tele. So the remote access and other things, they have eventually come into the scenario. But still, if you talk about the key differences between the two, then obviously the infrastructure cost is negligible. You don't actually need a hardware, you don't need the softwares at all, right? You just need a website credential and you just need a team of core competent people who can effectively operate it. And technically speaking, if you talk about the data confidentiality, because in the cloud-based softwares, you can give the access to that extent it is needed for a particular individual in your organization, but that facility is somewhere lacking. Sorry, I mean, I should stay neutral, but I have to emphasize this fact. If we talk about the data confidentiality, it's more in cloud-based softwares. Although Tele is having lots of advantages as well, I'm not criticizing it, but yes, if we talk about the key differences between the two, so we have to discuss this very particular aspect. So the another thing, the first point we discussed is with respect to the cost effective, right? The second key difference is with respect to this very particular aspect. In the cloud-based softwares, we often emphasize as to the the learning pathway, because it's easy to learn it and you can access it from anywhere, any location. But technically speaking, if you talk about the opportunities, right, the opportunities after Tele and after cloud-based softwares, we know this thing: after procuring the knowledge of IFRS and US GAAP along with the cloud-based software, so they get opened up globally.
Yeah.
But if we talk about Tele, so the opportunities are there. There are many, in fact, but they are confined, not globally, but restricted to India.
So, ma'am, my next question is with you. Like, what step one to take to secure an accounting position abroad? Because basically, cloud-based softwares is an internationally recognized accounting softwares. So, if someone want to move abroad, so how they can take the position there?
Well, Nikita, I must say this is an amazing question, and it actually, gets popped up in the minds of many, right? Especially if you talk about the students who actually wish to, pursue this course, whether working professionals or the students pursuing graduation or the post-graduation. Well, if we talk about these cloud-based softwares, so if you want to procure your job in MNCs or maybe abroad, so your fundamentals should be really very strong, right? If we talk about the fundamentals of accounting, and the whole world is based on, it's a bilingual world of accounting, you should possess the knowledge of IFRS and US GAAP. So if you have your core competency with respect to the IFRS and US GAAP, because in our institute we do provide the training with respect to both these two standard norms, because in US and US based companies or branches all across the globe, it's the US GAAP which actually comes into the scenario. But if you talk about IFRS, then for the rest of the countries, India, it's the IFRS which prevails. So technically speaking, before imparting the knowledge with respect to the cloud-based softwares, we ensure the students, they should take the training from us, the fundamentals of accounts and the IFRS and the US GAAP, because the blended version of all these fundamentals, IFRS knowledge, US GAAP, along with the cloud-based softwares will eventually help you to climb up the corporate ladder, not only in India, but internationally as such. And for this very particular purpose, we have ensured, if you wish to, do the job, so we have tie up with certain, companies and placement agencies as well. Now we have started our own as well at the same time. But technically speaking, if you wish to set up your own practice as well, if you talk about, practicing chartered accountants in India, or maybe, you're working as a freelancer, you're doing the, GST, getting your, for your clients, getting GST, returns updated and everything like that, the other compliances, getting the client's income tax returns filed, but in India only, and you wish to, take your career to another level with respect to, taking your practice globally. So cloud-based softwares and the knowledge, even if you do not clear the IFRS and the US GAAP certifications, if you possess the knowledge, you can provide quality services to your client. So definitely, for sure, you can give an extra or added on advantage to your client, and you can take your Indian practice globally. So in a nutshell, we can say it has got a two-folded aspect, especially for the working professionals, if they want to climb up the corporate ladder, whether in India or internationally, or otherwise, if we talk from the perspective of practicing chartered accountants, practicing freelancers, and you want to take your practice to another level, then cloud-based software's knowledge, along with the IFRS and US GAAP, is the key, will actually serve as a key determinant to, solve the purpose for the same with respect to, taking your practice at an international level.
Ma'am, are there any certification exams which are available for these cloud-based softwares?
Yeah, definitely. Let's take the example of QuickBooks Pro Advisor exam for QuickBooks, software, and for the Xero software, Xero certified. And the list goes on. Technically speaking, I would rather here recommend every one of you, whosoever is watching this video from any corner of the world and from any platform, from any social media platform, I would rather recommend to procure the certification, because although you may be having a knowledge, but just for increasing the reliability, the credibility in your resume and cover note, definitely the certifications are there, and along with procuring the knowledge, it is highly recommended you should take the certification as well. And as far as the training program with respect to the theoretical along with the practical entry cases is concerned, so we do provide the case studies for procuring the knowledge, and the MCQs for cracking the, let's take an instance this way, for the QuickBooks exam. It's an MCQ based exam, so all the MCQs, they are incorporated in our portal, how you can, clear this examination with quality in the very first attempt itself. So definitely, so certifications are there, and it is highly recommended you should, for sure go for those certifications. So certifications are available, but ultimately it is solely at the discretion of the candidate to go for it or not, but it is highly recommended to increase the reliability.
Ma'am, in India, basically people prefer tele because they want majorly remote-based work. So, do we have this option in these cloud-based softwares also? Because many people ask this question. So, can you just give a justification?
Actually, the opportunities are more in cloud-based softwares, because technically speaking, if we talk about the various freelancing websites with Upwork, Freelancer.in, and the list goes on. So, in the initial stage, you can definitely work as a freelancer, but after giving quality services to the initial clients, retaining them for a longer period of time, and the list goes on, because it's not only 2 or 3 websites are there as of, wherein you can procure the freelancing work. The list is of many. So definitely, and how to, give quality services to your client, how to make an account over there, and how you should proceed. So everything will be guided by our core, team members, because I always make an endeavor to this very particular situation there too. After giving the training with respect to the cloud-based softwares, if a person wants to set up their own practice, so I assign the team members this very particular task to, look for it, make their accounts. So just to assist you, we ensure, even if you wish to see, it has got 2 answers. You're already working somewhere in an organization and you want to start as a freelancer, but at the same time you don't want to lose your job, right? So just to strike a balance between the two, initially you can continue with your job also, and you can procure some freelancing work, and simultaneously, and once you get your financial stability after getting the remote opportunities with respect to the various cloud-based software programs, so then you can take your decision to leave your job once you get that financial stability. But definitely there are lots of remote opportunities after pursuing this cloud-based software training programs, and we do provide. Ours is a network of, we have a network of with many EA firms, CPA firms, platforms, and we apart from this network assistance, we have certain tie-ups with the placement agencies as well. So you can definitely, who have links with the companies and who want to get their work outsourced to some individuals, because obviously we know this thing, lots of the work, because we know this thing, the work gets outsourced to India to a manifold extent. So definitely there is a need and the dire requirement for many individuals who can take up this work and provide quality service to the client. So the remote opportunities are many. In fact, more after pursuing the cloud-based softwares itself.
So, ma'am, there are so many fresh graduates who enroll in these courses, but they don't know like how much salary they will get after getting these certified cloud-based software. So, can you just give a brief about it? So, ma'am, can you just give a मैं दोबारा बोल दूँ पूरा question. So, ma'am, there are so many fresh graduates who just want to pursue this cloud-based software, but they are totally unaware about the salary criteria they will have after doing these cloud-based softwares. So, can you just give a light on this question?
Sure, I would like to take this question to another level, because if you talk about a fresher, and why to take a fresher in India only. There's so many fresher jobs. If you talk about various countries, if you talk about India, as a fresher you can expect anywhere minimum 25,000 in non-metro cities and 35,000 in metro cities itself. And internationally, if you talk about globally, then in US dollar, or if you talk about the salary package, so anywhere you can land a $55,000 annually or so, and in Australian dollars 45,000. So although I have discussed here with respect to the Indian rupees, Australian dollars and US dollars, so after procuring the knowledge, you may might be sitting anywhere all across the globe with respect to watching this video, but let me put an emphasis on this fact: if you have quality knowledge with respect to the softwares, so as a fresher, anywhere, even if you are doing a blue collar job in some foreign country or so, I would like to say this thing: all the jobs are equal. And irrespective of the fact, everybody should be given as such the due respect. But still, there are some Indians who actually are working over there in blue collar jobs, and they want to bring a transformation to their career in white collar jobs. So definitely these cloud-based software training programs will prove, and they will actually eventually serve as a base to take your dream job in the domain of accounting or finance there too. So this, what we have discussed with respect to the Indians abroad, even any particular individual who is sitting anywhere all across the globe, so might be having this question in mind as to the cloud-based software training programs are provided by many institutes. So what is so different about us, right? So we believe in not just selling the software portal training program. It's not like that. We do believe in this motto: we promise, we deliver. So just to ensure this very particular motto which we have, so we believe in giving you a theoretical framework for you in the very initial stage itself, and then with the practical case studies, we ensure whatever you have studied theoretically, we try to put an emphasis with the help of case studies itself. And once you are done with the knowledge base, you have already enhanced it and widened your mental horizon, then another level is the certification, right? So definitely by procuring the knowledge in the cloud-based software, so the opportunities, they are many. Yeah. Especially if you talk about accounting or finance, and it's not like that. If you have procured the knowledge, because some of the candidates, they might be having this question in mind: okay, this is for the very level 1 or level 2. What about the if we have already climbed up the corporate ladder, working as a good designation in any organization, what about us? So is this cloud-based software training program knowledge is for us or not? So let me tell you, if you procure the knowledge, so things will be easy to get the things done from your team members, from your the persons who are working under you in the hierarchy.
Ma'am, in India, basically, we have so many accountants, like they have 10 years of experience, 18 years of experience, but they don't have that great salary. They are just like 20,000, 25,000 or maximum 40,000 per month in their hand. So, if they do these type of cloud-based softwares, is there any chances that they will get a good hike in their salary and they have a good life ahead? If you can answer this.
Definitely. And I think lots of working professionals professionals who actually give their, substantial portion of their, working life to one organization, and eventually they do not land up with that very particular state what they have actually dreamt of. So just to throw some more light on this, I would rather emphasize, see, you have worked for one organization, maybe for a group of organization for many years of your life. Now it's high time you should recognize your core competency and your experience in the said industry, because as an Indian accountant you've already worked, let's say, at least for 10 years, and if you procure your knowledge with respect to the cloud-based software, so your opportunities will be opened up in MNCs. Because so far now you have might have worked with if we talk about the Indian organizations which follow actually the norms of India and all that, but if we talk about lots of multinational corporations, so definitely the opportunities will be open, and your salary package, you can anywhere expect a hike of 1.5 to 2 times. And I felt good when you raised this question as to to bring as such a transformation in the lifestyle as such, because most of the Indian accountants, they give their substantial time, as I earlier told you, to some organization, and they have knowledge, they have core competency in the arena of finance, but when they actually wants to switch from one company to another, so they have a fear in their mind, fear of, will I be selected or not in a particular organization? So this fear can be lessened or eliminated completely if you procure knowledge in the cloud-based softwares, as well along with this you work on your communication skills, because this is really very important. If you are getting your interview done with respect, whether it is an HR round or a technical round, and questions are asked from you, you fumble in between, and let me tell you, language is never ever a bar of communication. Whether you convey your message in English language or a Hindi language, there too you should stay confident. And soon we'll be in next month, October 2024, we are launching the Business English and Corporate English course, and in that, this course is not only designed to just for earning motive. The cost will be less, right? Just to maintain the discipline, because if we'll be giving this course free of cost, then discipline won't be maintained among the students and all. To ensure your business communication skills, your persuasion skills, your confidence, and at the same time to bring another level to your English language, because all of us somewhere we have this confidence, but when it comes to narrating a point to another person or having a conversation with someone, it's the confidence which is lagged at some times. And how to build up this confidence and your grammatical skills, they are really very important, because in an MNC company, if you're giving an interview over there and your grammatical skills are not up to the mark, so it gives a negative impression over there and you won't get selected, especially if you talk about the Big Four. So definitely in that very particular program which we are launching in October 2024, so it will prove very beneficial for one and all, and it will include the grammar sessions as well, because they are really very important when it comes to your spoken skills, your soft skills, and at the same time the drafting skills as well, because if your manager tells you to draft an email and all in vain, you just try for 10 to 20 minutes and you're not able to give that output, and you can't even do Google over there, right? So just to ensure how to respond with respect to the various official communications, so drafting program, that module is even incorporated in the training program, and the good news will be launched soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious time to us, and I really hope that we have cleared all the doubts of our audience. But still, if anyone have any other doubt, then they can freely contact to us at below mentioned details. We will be happy to assist you. And if you really found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and all other social media platforms. And don't forget to share this video with your family, friends and anyone who is in contact with you, because this video might be helpful to you as well as to them also. Thank you so much.